everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come on to quickly show you my latest printable kit. So this one is an Easter themed kit and it's called Cute Shabby Easter, I think. Cute Shabby Easter or Shabby Cute Easter, but I will link it below the video. So it's a watercolor type of theme kit. It's very pretty. All the backgrounds I've done, they've got like a watercolor type of a background. So in total with this one you get it's 17 pages in total. So and that's made up of I think it's 11 full pages and then 5 pages of ephemera, pockets and envelopes and so forth. So now I've printed on the back of some of these and some of these I haven't. So I'll just show you as I go through. So this is the first page, which is probably my favourite one. I think it's really gorgeous. And so some of the pages are background papers, so I'll just show you. I've printed some of them on the back. So this one's just sort of a soft watercolour floral page. So that's that one. And then I've got this one. And I've printed another one of the pages on the back, which is again sort of watercolors, and you can see the faint writing or printing that I've put on there. So that's those ones. This is the next one. There, and then I've printed this one on the back, which I've just made like two separate pages in one there. This one with all the beautiful Easter eggs on it. As you can see, this is that watercolor background with the writing, and then I've just made a pattern with the Easter eggs on that one. And on the back of this one I've printed another one of the backgrounds. This is the next one. This is another one of the background pages. I don't know why, but I've printed them upside down, but that's okay. So I actually plan on making, I'm not going to make a complete journal. I'm going to make some sort of a folio, maybe like a stacked envelope folio, I thought, for Easter. So I might not be using the backs anyway, so that's okay. So here's the next one, and I've left that one blank on the back. And then just one of the background papers I've printed out again. And now that's all the full pages. Now these are the ephemera pages, so I've put some nice spring words there. Some little butterflies, Easter eggs, some of the little bunnies and flowers resized down. And then you got 4 Easter eggs here, which I thought would make nice little tuck spots. Or you could put them on a tag, whatever you like, or a journal card. And then I've got these couple of little receipts where I've put the bunnies. These are just some extra little bits of ephemera if you wanted them to use them. I've got sort of a postcard size one here, a couple of smaller ones where I've resized down the pages. and that one there. So these are all basically the pages resized down. I've got some vintage Easter printables on this page. And this page here, where I've just put some sort of shabby chic cards and then some bits and pieces for you to use. This is some of the watercolour backgrounds. And this particular page is actually a free printable in my Facebook group. So if you're a member of my Facebook group, you can download this one for free. And this is the last page where I've got some mason jars with the Easter eggs, a little receipt with the Easter bunny, a couple of labels there. Then I've got a pocket and another tag there with an Easter bunny. So that is my shabby cute, I think it's cute shabby Easter, I think I've called this one. So I hope you like it, and yeah, I will have a project coming up where I'm going to make a folio with it, so watch out for that one. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks guys, bye bye.